Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install MS Teams on your Windows. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any of your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type MS Teams. Download. Here in the first option you can see Download MS Teams desktop and mobile apps. Tap on that option. Now here you can see Download for desktop. Tap on Download for desktop. Then here, if you are downloading Teams for home or small businesses, download this one, or if you are downloading Teams for work or school, download this one. I'm downloading Teams for work and school, so I'm tabbing on this. Now here in the bottom side, you can see it is downloading. After it has completed downloading, you can tab on that one. Here you can see it is installing. It may take a little time, but gradually it will be downloaded. After downloading it, this type of screen will appear. And here you have to type your email, your phone number or Skype, then tap on next, then type your password, then you'll enter Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.